How to delete friend request on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete friend request on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to delete your friend request on Facebook, all you have to do is open up the Facebook application, then just tap the friends icon here if you want to see the friend request that you received, and if you want to delete them, tap the delete option. But if you want to see and cancel the friend request that you have sent yourself to others, you can just tap on this little see all option here, and then just tap on three dots here, tap on view sent request, and then you'll be able to see a list of friend requests that you've sent yourself, and then you can tap on cancel on it in order to cancel the friend request. So these are the two things: whether you want to delete the friend request someone sent you, or whether you want to delete the friend request that you had sent to someone. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.